Hi everyone, it's science time. We are doing another experiment of underwater volcano.
Underwater volcano? What is that?
Underwater volcano is a simple science experiment.
Yes, and what we need for this is we need a big jar, big glass jar. Glass इसलिए लिया है ताकि आप उसको आसानी से देख सकें. A small jar is required. मैंने एक glass jar लिया है ताकि ये इतना heavy हो कि इसके अंदर ये पूरी तरह से डूब सके. I like blue color, so I've taken blue color. थोड़ा सा इसमें डाला है मैंने, थोड़ा स्टोन भी डाले हैं ताकि ये थोड़ा heavy हो जाए और उसके अंदर डूब जाए. Now I'm pouring hot water in this. You need help of your parents in this experiment. Can you stir it, Zoe? Please mix it. Yes. Now we need to place this inside the big jar, and you can see the hot water rising up and it becomes blue. Can you see this? Now, this is called underwater volcano. The hot water is rising up. Can you tell me, Shaurya, why it is rising up?
Because the hot molecules are going up and
They're rising because the hot water
is less
dense. Very good, and it is lighter. I think it is lighter.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So you can make your own mini underwater volcano. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.